Hey, look. Hey, he say he do it in 2 bites. You think he do it in 2 bites? I don't think he do it no 2 bites neither. Oh, bam. Joy, Joy, you been. Come on. Your money good. Watch this right here. 2 bites. Shawty, we need the inside peek. Come on with it. Show them what you gonna do. 1. That's 1. 2. I got you. Shawty, boy, you roll with it. Boy, you had to burn the game like that. Boy, you roll with it. Boy.
Where
you roll with that, boy.
Where you throw one from?
Roll with that, boy.
Where you throw one from?
Boy, you roll with that, boy. Boy, you wrong with that, boy. His money good. You think you murder that plate? Oh, you got a plate.
Oh, yeah.
You think you murder that plate? And murder that plate 2 bites? Hey, I got 7. You can't murder that plate 2 bites. Hey, $7, but you murder that plate 2 bites. 2 bites. It got to be 2 bites to it. It got to be 2 full bites. It's cool. Hey. What's up? How long you think? Okay, how many minutes you think it'll take for you to eat that plate real fast?
I can give it 2 bites, but it's gonna be chewy.
You can't get that shit on. I ain't gonna give you no 5 minutes, but it'll be that plate. I give you 4 minutes. 4 minutes. You think you got that plate down? 4 minutes. Boy, I got $7, boy. You got that motherfucker down right now. I'm for real. Hey, you better see the funny shit right now, boy. You want to get at the table, boy? You better get at the table when you get right, boy. Hey, 7 minutes, bro. Look, let me tell you. It goes down in here. We see everything, bro. So it ain't no faking, no jacking, on none of this shit, nigga. It's on the goddamn another level. But anyway, my man is going to attempt to eat all the slice with this barbecue chicken, and he going to eat it in 4 minutes. Now, I'm going to show you the plate. Now, that's the plate. That's a lot of damn rice. That's enough rice to feed Geechies in Ethiopia. That's enough rice. And then he eating a quarter chicken.
You going to feel like a Chinaman with all that rice.
Oh, that goddamn rice, boy. He's still my granddad's shoes, boy. You want to granddad's shoes, why? Get them back. Jelly bitch. Hey, you think you can finish that plate right there in 4 minutes, Hayward?
He can eat that?
Yeah.
Yeah, he can do it.
I'll do him. Hell no.
Oh, he might have a tight stomach. He's slim. So.
Hayward.
Yeah.
Hey, look.
But he probably can do it.
But look, Hayward, that's enough rice to feed Amel Geechies.
You forgot rice.
Rice swell up in your ass. Hey, what that rice gonna do with
a
your
whole lot of rice.
shit? Me when that motherfucker get your belly, you
rice. That's not considered. And then you got a piece of meat.
Yeah, a quarter meat too. He got a leg and a thigh.
Yeah, he can do it.
Not Shouter do Jamaica's little cupcake. And he know Shouter couldn't eat them quarter right now. I'm telling you, boy.
Leave him outside for about 30 days.
Boy, I got $7, boy. I got $7, boy. 2 bites on that core. And I'm going to run through it like a chick chainsaw. You got to run through it like a chicken chainsaw. Cut the bone over everything. Get the backside of the bone. Put your clock on, Charlie. Put your clock on. You can't do it. How fast you think you eat all that rice out there? You eat, so you will eat the rice in 3 minutes. All of it. You want to see this Hey, he say he's going to turn Geechee. He said he can eat that rice in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Yeah. Ain't no way in that goddamn hell he going, huh? I done told him to go slow him up.
You hear the chicken call?
Oh yeah, I like this fried up. Oh baby.
Yo, what, this is your theme song?
What you gonna do, man? Them bitch do that shit.